Just turn it on the camera, see where we go. Got some Indiana Jones figs, and we got to talk about it. Dial of Destiny came out. Let's go. All right. Dial of Destiny came out, and everybody's going crazy. Oh, it's the worst movie ever. No, it wasn't. It was the fourth best one of 5, all right? Kingdom of Crystal Skulls, I walked out of that theater and I was like, man, that sucked. This one was like, it was all right. It was all right. I knew walking in, at best, I was hoping for like a mediocre movie. I'll take mediocre over no movie at all. We got a mediocre movie. It was decent. Things to get over with the movies. Like, yeah, the CGI, when they made him look young in the beginning of the movie, it was kind of wonky a little bit, but if you get over that, beginning of the movie's awesome. And when they make him only look a little bit younger, like 10 years younger in like middle of the movie, and he's dressed up in the suit that makes him look like the fugitive, I thought that was cool. That looked really good. That looked impressive. And then the whole movie, I'm waiting to see what the hell, they're going to turn the Dial of Destiny on, and I was dying to see what the hell happened, and then no spoilers, but it's like, that was not what I was expecting to happen, and all right, cool. I was all in on it. So yeah, it was decent. I liked it. I knew it was going to bomb because everybody I talked to at work is like, they either didn't know it was coming out or never even watched Indiana Jones movies, which boggles my mind. But I think 80s nostalgia, for them mining that, is kind of over now. Michael Keaton Batman, nobody seemed to care about that. I think that's too old now. You can't go over 30 years with your nostalgia. It's 20 years is the cutoff. We got to mine the late 90s through early 2000s now for that kind of stuff. But what did we get? We got a bunch of figures. That's the best part about the movie coming out. We got more action figures. This I was kind of excited by, even though it stole my thunder of the custom figure I've been working on for God knows how long. I've been working on this sucker for about a year. I will say, my design choices are better than this one. Let's get back to him later. This is cool. I don't really collect 6-inch figures. I've got like 3 G.I. Joe classifieds and 4 Marvel Legends. I don't even have any Star Wars Black Series, but we're counting this as a Black Series because it's Lucasfilm. I already opened it up. After I saw the movie, I opened this up. I got this at work. I thought I was being bad. I thought I was, because I work at Target, I thought I was stealing it from the collectors out there, but no. That worked the next day. There were still 3 more on the peg, so you can't hate me for that. All those people say, oh, they're the workers they take. No, we don't. There's just me. Maybe me, if I'm interested. I buy like 1 figure every blue moon. So shut up. I already opened them up, and I kind of like the boxes without the you would like to see it, but if you're gonna like actually keep the box, like you collect garbage, I kind of like that. I might keep that box for later, or I should throw it out. You should throw your boxes out. Quit being those people who just collect stuff and then just leave it in the box. No, you gotta open it up. You gotta feel it. You gotta smell it. You gotta let it breathe. Just like Zack Ryder says. After I got it as an impulse buy, this is like what, $24.99 or something like that, but I got the discount, so well, so I only paid probably like $20 for this figure. So it wasn't like me major like dent in my already empty wallet. It was pretty cool. If you're gonna get one Indy, you're probably gonna get Temple of Doom Indy. That's the coolest Indy. And all the weirdos now, they probably weren't even born. They weren't around at that time. It's cool to say Temple of Doom wasn't good. No, Temple of Doom was awesome. We all loved the Temple of Doom back in the day. Where all his accessories go? Here, I put them back into the little baggie. you buy all the figures, you get this little piece, which I will never get, because I only want one figure. That's all I need. Not buying everything up. Oh, I already put his little gun in his pouch, and I couldn't close his pouch. That's the thing with all these Marvel Legends type things. I noticed, no, the G.I. Joe Classified, I noticed their little gun pouches and stuff didn't really want to hold together. Got his sword. Got his whip. Supposed to hang on there, whatever. I'm throwing him back in the box later. That's pretty cool. I'm happy with this. I'm only having one figure. I don't care. Go back to the one I was designing. We're almost there, almost there. I might have to spend 3 more years sculpting it. Nah, not really. I'm just trying to work on like clothing wrinkles. That's a new thing I never tried sculpting before. Tighten up my details. I mean, I could throw some paint on them right now and it would be damn near awesome, but no, we're not rushing it. And then this, I don't know, do I want to open this? I kind of like the package. I'm not a package collector person. Nah, I gotta open the package. I gotta handle it. I gotta handle. Oh, came off pretty easy. I do keep the cards. I don't keep the little plastic bubbles or nothing like that. I got like what, that many cards? That's a lot of cards, but it only takes up that much space. I have the other one over here. See, I put him back in the package too. And I already knew the face was kind of janky looking. Doesn't look like, I did a video on, doesn't really look like him. Everybody knows that. Everybody's complaining about that. But it's only like $11.99, so what am I complaining about? It's just more fun stuff. You buy this stuff, the retro stuff, because you just want to pick something up. You want to have something for the car ride home. You want to put it on your shelf, and that was your little $12 that you spent for the day. Made you happy. Few people are actually going to pick up the whole collection of this stuff. And he's all rubbery, which the original one, I got like 5 of these. I only have one with an actual thumb still on him. Not bad. He's fun. I took this one to the movie theater with me. Had him in my pocket. Had him in my front button-down shirt pocket. Brought him with me. Keep me protected to the movie. Fun stuff. All right. So in conclusion, we got a 3 out of 5 star movie. Better than nothing. 3 out of 5 star movie gets us all these cool new action figures, which I like this. This is fun. Mine's going to be better when I'm done, but this is still fun. I got this. This is really cool, and I ain't into the super articulated whatevers, but this is, I'm going to put him on my desk next to my computer, which all my new figures I buy for the week, they're always there, and then they end up in a drawer. I don't have a nice big display anywhere. I've got totes of stuff. That's where they usually end up. He might get 2 weeks. He might be there the whole summer. And it's going to be with him. He's going to be sitting on top of the computer. Fun little figures. And I will never end up buying enough figures to finish this thing. Well, these retro figures, all right? This one, not quite the same. This one is like straight up dead on Ninja Turtles. Playmates, you did it right. Kenner, this isn't the remake one, but the Kenner Ghostbusters one, I should do a video on that. They nailed that too. That was perfect. So I will take one random figure that's kind of when everybody else is crushing it. So good on them. Belongs in a museum, not the pawn shop. Did I mention I was wearing the Pawn Star shirt from TV show History Channel? I actually went there in Las Vegas, and I don't know if I mentioned this, and I don't know if I ever wore this shirt in another video. You go there, and the place is way smaller than it is on TV, but you can tell it's the same place because they just film at like a different angle. And I asked like the people who work here, it's like, I was like, Rick or Chumley here right now? This was years ago. I know Chumley's not on the show no more. He said, no, this because it was like a Saturday I was there. No, they're here during the week. Or I bet you that whenever day you're there, they say that they were here the other day. It was like if you were there during the week, no, they're only here on the weekends. If you're there on the weekends, no, they're only here during the weekdays. But that is my story about this. It was cool that I got to see it. That was a big highlight of my life because I love that show. Imagine if Indiana Jones brought like the Holy Grail or something into, gold and silver. Rick's behind the counters. Oh yeah, I see that. This market, I don't know. I got the expert. He came in. He says it's worth this, but I gotta make my money. I'll give you $200 on it. I gotta put it in a glass case. I gotta find the right buyer. Like get the hell out of here. 'Cause they're always trying to rip you off. They had a cool gift shop in there though.